Namaste everyone, hope you guys are keeping well and safe at home. Today I want to demonstrate a very powerful technique which will help you get rid of phlegm and help you build stronger and healthier lungs. So phlegm is actually needed in the body because it helps you fight infections. But when phlegm changes its color, its amount and its thickness, then it's a possible sign of chest infection which needs immediate attention. So to avoid this sort of a situation, you must do Bhasrika Pranayam. This pranayam should be done early in the morning on an empty stomach. So without further delay, let me demonstrate to you step by step how you should do Bhasrika Pranayam.
It's very important to condition yourself before you do any pranayam. Sit in Sukhasana with an erect back, or you can sit on a chair with your back straight if you are unable to sit on the floor. Close your eyes. Breathe for a few seconds normally. Now take a deep breath and breathe out forcefully through the nose without any strain. Immediately breathe in with the same force. Inhale and exhale repeatedly, deeply and fully. As you can see that the abdomen moves out during inhalation and the opposite happens while exhalation. This whole movement should be highly exaggerated. A strong nasal sound will accompany the breathing. This process should be rhythmic and controlled, maintaining the speed as per capacity. Do 10 cycles to complete one cycle.
So there are many benefits of Bhasrika Pranayam. For example, it gets rid of excessive phlegm from the lungs, giving them the much needed protection in the times of COVID-19. It has good effects on your digestive and respiratory system. It improves the blood oxygen level, which further increases the vitality of organs and tissues. It also strengthens and tones the abdominal muscles. It calms the mind and energizes the body. Besides these benefits, there are also certain limitations that you must take a note of before you practice this pranayam. For example, if somebody has heart ailments, vertigo, high blood pressure, women with pregnancy, people with abdominal disorders, spinal issues, they should not practice this Bhasrika Pranayam. It can harm them. So to get the maximum benefits out of this, you must take care of all these instructions and practice this pranayam early in the morning on an empty stomach. Alright, so if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and to watch more videos on lifestyle medicine, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.